Hello and welcome to your Portuguese. When talking about objects, it is important to know characteristics of them, mainly when describing them to other people. We may talk about the size and shape of objects, for example, to clarify to people what you are talking about. That is why we are going to teach you today something very important and that may come in handy to you when you will wish to describe something in Portuguese. Today we are going to teach you 7 colors in Portuguese, specifically the 7 colors of the rainbow, and maybe in another opportunity we may increase the number of colors. Let's get started. Vermelho, vermelho. Amarelo, amarelo. Laranja, laranja. Verde, verde. Azul, azul. Anil, anil. Violeta, violeta. Easy, right? Now you're ready to use these 7 colors in a conversation. Go ahead and good luck! If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video. And if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.